Okay everyone, so in this video I just want to quickly go through how we can try to work with Phaser. I have XAMPP or XAMPP installed in my machine, and if you're going to be searching XAMPP, we'll need to have a server installed. So just go to XAMPP and go through the process of installing it. And right now, if I try to open up my local host, that should open up my local host dashboard, and I can try to go to the shooter game directory, which doesn't have any files in it in my local machine, and that's referencing to this htdocs from where I put all of our files, where you need to put all of your projects in a server. And right now I want to go to Phaser, and I have downloaded already the min.js, so that's the first thing that we would want to do. I'm going to open this up on my code editor, and let's try to open that up. Let's go back here, and now let's start to create some files here, like the index.js or index.html file. Let's have a game.js file, and we want to go get that Phaser min from the downloaded folder that will contain most of the objects that we need, or functions, or the code base that we will need, so that we can try to work with Phaser. And we also want to set up some things here in our game.js file, like the window object. We want to get the onload property and create an anonymous function. It will have a variable declaration, and we initialize that with a Phaser construct. I think this is a construct. If we try to hover on top of it, it's not giving us some details. But the new keyword is normally for a class. We usually create an instance of the Phaser.game here. And we have to set up our index.html. So I'm pressing here on emmet shooter game intro to Phaser, for example. Let's have a script tag here that we'll use as a reference to the Phaser min.js. It's also a type of text and JavaScript. Let's go get. You'll see, if I try to run this in the browser, we still don't have any information yet. Let me just game.js. Let me just first try to remove this. Go back to our browser now, and let's try to refresh this. We do have an empty shooter game intro to Phaser, and if we go past in the game.js, we can see now that we have a canvas, and if we inspect, we do see that there's that WebGL version 3.60.0 that we can work with in Phaser. So I'm still going to be exploring this game framework for HTML5. I'm hoping to learn on how to utilize this further. So I think I'll create some more videos related to this. Thank you everyone.